Hi,
Hi sir.
how are you?
Fine sir. How are you? What about you sir?
Yeah, I'm also good. May I know your good name?
Samyukta.
Yeah, okay, Samyukta. Can I have your resume? Yeah, Samyukta, before going to start, just introduce yourself.
Thank you sir for giving this opportunity. My name is El Samyukta. I am from Nizamabad. I completed my graduation with specialization ECA. And my technical skills are .NET and testing. My hobbies are listening music and watching shows. My strengths are I am ambitious and dedication to work. My goal is to get a place in reputed company, MNC company. It's all about me, sir.
So you are good at .NET and as well as
I
manual.
am
Yeah, okay. Actually, this interview for manual testing, is it okay for you?
okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. So in manual, just tell me what are the concepts you are aware.
SDLC, software testing, system testing, validation and verification, SDLC, and that's it, sir.
Yeah, okay. So why? Because you are not like mention the skills throughout skills in your resume.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So why we are doing testing generally in software industry? What is the use?
To the software, when we develop the software product, the software product should be defect free, sir. So by testing only, the software product will be defect free and the quality product will release, sir.
Okay. So now you got one defect. What you need to do?
We send to the
Developer.
developer.
Yeah, okay. Why you are sending the defect to the developer? What is the content you may follow?
We we prepared some template to the to defect. What is the defect related ID
Okay.
or something descriptions or steps. What we follow the steps while producing any defect. So clearly mention all the process and it will send to the developer.
Yeah, okay. So you said that related means description means.
Description means what we, when the defect will occurred, what the process we followed for testing.
And actually, exactly, you saying that steps. In steps, we can say where the defect occurred. In description is nothing but a what is the exact point of the defect. Okay. So, like this process will be followed by the developer, and developer can fix the defect. And in this process will be followed the bug life cycle. You know the bug life cycle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just explain the bug life cycle.
Um, if a tester find out any defect, so it will send to the developer firstly. So the developer cannot easily sure about the defect. So he requires all the what the tester will do done in the process or something what the defect will be have I occurred. So when the developer accept the defect, so it is a bug. So after it satisfies the all the tester defect, so then he starts the fixing the bug. So after fixing the bug, again he return to the tester, and the tester will retest that defect. So then tester will then the test will be passed. So it will end to that only and the end of class. If it is that bug will is not fixed, so again the tester will send to the developer. While repeating this process is known as bug life cycle.
Yeah, okay. So you said that retesting.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, you can fit on the retesting. I can ask one question. And before that, you need to say what are the status available for the bug.
New, sir.
New and there is a at least like there is a 6 to 10 statuses.
New,
Only new.
assign, open, assign, open, fixed, bug, fixed or verified, and
Deferred.
deferred duplicate.
Yes, there is a deferred and duplicate and
After fixing or verified, it will test will pass me and test close.
okay, fine. Yeah, okay. That's thing. Okay, okay. Come to the retesting. What is meant by retesting?
Retesting is after defect, the tester will perform the retesting. The same functionalities we test again and again. So it is known as retesting.
Yeah, okay. So you are aware about the regression testing.
Yes, sir.
What is regression testing?
So while testing, when we add the new module, so it does not impact to the existing modules. So it is a representation.
Yeah, fine. So, are you know the graphical user interface testing?
Yes, sir.
What is meant by graphical user
It
interface
is a
testing?
non-functional testing. So it is in this the user interface will checks the size or the colors or the font size or zoom it or scrolling. All the process will occur in GUI.
Yeah, okay. That's fine. So in functional testing, what you know in about the positive testing and negative testing?
Positive testing only checking the positive credentials, and negative testing is checking the only negative credentials.
Like checking the application with positive credentials and checking the application. Okay, what is the like output for valid inputs and invalid input? What is the expectation for positive credentials and what is the expectation for negative credentials?
Positive, when we give valid input, it should be a pass.
Yeah, okay.
Valid credentials, the test will be passed. In negative testing, we should give some invalid credentials. So it should be, if it is passed, means if it is accepted, means it will fail. So if it is not accepted, means it will pass. So we check negative credentials.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, that's fine. You know the performance testing?
Yes, sir.
Performance testing required any tools?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Load runner and JMeter.
Yeah, okay, fine. And what is meant by load testing?
Load testing, performance means the pace speed of the testing, sir. So while loading, we give some how much time when we input valid input will be given. So how much time will we get the output, sir? The time we required is the load, sir.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Now, okay, load testing means how much of time
Or time
taken
taken to the
navigating
get
one.
the outputs.
Yes, okay, fine. Yeah, that's okay. And then, okay, now explain the process like what is the process we are following for throughout development, like software development lifecycle.
Software development life cycle, we perform the requirement, software bidding or requirement analysis. So in software bidding, the client will come to the organization or something. So he gives we need a softwares for the requirements or software. So the client, after CEO meeting, the kick-off meeting or sign-off meeting will conduct. So the project manager will be decided in that meeting. After project manager will conduct the project manager will give the project initiation note. So we call it as PIN. After the requirement analysis will be started in next step. So after requirement analysis, we decide the project plan and design and coding part, and after all coding only we come to the testing. After testing, we release and maintenance.
Yeah, fine. So in which phase the QC will involve? Like in which phase the software testing was followed?
Validation. So in validation QC.
In SDLC, which phase the testing will follow?
Testing and this is software.
Yes, software testing. But as a software testing was followed by only software testing phase, but coming to the present scenario, each and every phase there is a testing.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's the matter. And yeah, okay. So I'm going to the another question in manual itself. What is the difference between test scenario and test case?
In test scenario, we deals with the water testing, and in test cases, it deals with the how to test in application.
Yeah, fine. So give me one example for test scenario and test cases. Okay, take it. Login is the test scenario.
Okay.
Give the test cases for login.
Login test scenario cases.
Test scenario is login. Give some cases for login.
Valid username, first valid username and valid password, or invalid username, invalid password.
Okay.
Test case.
And again you need to say it's like we can go for valid and valid invalid and invalid invalid. So this is the answer you need to give. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. And next I'm moving to the second question. And yeah, okay. So to prepare these test cases and scenarios, we required a
Templates of design.
okay template is okay. Test design techniques we require.
Okay, so design.
Okay, tell me what is test design techniques and how many test design techniques are there?
Yeah, for preparing test cases, we follow 5 design techniques: boundary values and
Equivalent
equivalent class partition and state transition and error guessing and DMT, design making.
decision making.
Okay, decision making.
Okay. So using these all things, we can prepare our like test
Design
cases and
test cases.
test scenarios. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So if I can okay with this position for you, how many days you require to join?
I join in Wilson.
Yeah. Okay. That's a good sign. And if the company requires the automation, are you able to study the automation?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Yeah. That's all about my side, Samyukta. You have any questions?
So in company, what the testing process in practical I have to.
Like we are going to test the web applications, and if you are okay with this position, your like work should be being a writing test cases and scenarios, and you need to execute, and you need to submit the report to the developer. You need to report the defect to the developer, and if it was fixed, you need to involve in the retesting, and if you require any script wise, you need to write the script also. Okay, so this is the work will be assigned for. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Samyukta, I have any?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, you can leave. Thank you, Samyukta.